Hey Faceless family, welcome to Debt Busters. You've come to the right place and time if you're a content creator, athlete, or avid fan who enjoys sharing or watching sports-related content. We will show you expert advice, clever tactics, and the most recent information on how to avoid copyright accusations while creating and sharing fascinating sports films. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Remember, this is all for entertainment purposes and I'm not condoning piracy. Anything you do with this information is at your own risk. I'm telling you how to engage in fair use practices. But I'm aware that some of you will disregard that information. You're on your own. While many online sites provide recorded sports matches, remember that these videos are copyrighted. That doesn't mean you can't show them off or utilize sections of them on your sports TV or YouTube channel. Let us now examine the concept of fair use, a crucial theory in U.S. law that permits limited use of copyrighted content without the requirement for permission from the copyright holder. In the United States, copyright rights are balanced by the fair use concept, which allows for particular uses of copyrighted content such as criticism, commentary, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. In some circumstances, these fair uses give a sound legal foundation for using copyrighted content. Whether or not you live in the United States, rest assured, fair use laws apply to your YouTube content. What does this mean for your sports highlight videos? Videos that come under the limits of fair use are protected, and broadcasters with copyright claims cannot remove them. Before beginning the editing process, becoming acquainted with and comprehending fair use principles is critical. But don't worry, we've got your back. With this knowledge we are giving you, you'll be able to successfully edit your sports films while adhering to fair use guidelines. We strongly recommend studying and understanding the fair use guidelines before beginning your video editing journey. It is critical to understand every component to ensure that you use them effectively and safeguard your work from needless copyright lawsuits. Now let's look at a few websites where you can easily get sports match videos. Galatamin HD Football is one such website with a large variety of football, or what Americans call soccer, match footage for your viewing enjoyment. You can browse through many possibilities on this page and select the ones that pique your interest. For example, you can choose the Premier League option to access a treasure trove of videos. You can then download multiple portions such as the pre-match, first half, second half, extra time, penalties, and even post-match video snippets if available. Each phase allows you to relive the excitement and intensity of the game. A paid membership is required to use the download feature. By becoming a premium member, you can download these engaging videos to your computer, allowing you to watch them whenever and anywhere you choose, even when you're not connected to the internet. Galatamin HD. Football provides a simple and dependable platform for fans and creators like you to download high-quality match videos. You can create a personalized experience that meets your needs by browsing their huge library and selecting specific segments. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. We understand your eagerness for free video downloads, and we've got an intriguing option just for you. WiseLoaded.com is a remarkable service that enables you to download football videos without any cost. With a dedicated section for sports highlights and a wide range of exciting sports videos to explore, this platform is a must-visit for sports enthusiasts. You can find the option to download videos for free under the sports highlights area. This means you may store your favorite sports moments directly on your device without incurring expenses. WiseLoaded.com has an easy-to-use interface that allows you to access these downloads easily. The site covers you if you want to relive jaw-dropping goals, amazing match highlights, or legendary player performances. It provides wide footage for various sports leagues and competitions. Simply click on the Sports Highlights tab, select the videos that pique your interest, and enjoy the ease of downloading them for free. If you want to add to your collection of free websites for sports highlights, you can use the powerful Google engine to look for other websites offering free sports highlight film downloads. Simply searching with relevant keywords will yield many possibilities that suit your interests. Because of Google's enormous reach and indexing, you can discover hidden gems and lesser-known websites that provide free access to a large collection of sports highlight films. If you explore other platforms, you'll have a better chance of uncovering rare footage, memorable moments, and new viewpoints on favorite teams and players. Now that you have your downloaded sports match footage, the next step is to turn it into one-of-a-kind sports highlight videos. But how are you going to do it? The solution is to use your favorite video editing software. Clipchamp is an amazing example of a good video editing software. You can use your favorite video editor's tools to express your creativity and create attractive sports highlight videos. You can trim and cut your video clips, integrate distinct moments together, create transitions, and improve the overall visual appeal using the video editing program of your choice. You can also apply additional effects, filters, text overlays, and audio tweaks to personalize and make your highlight videos unique. When editing downloaded videos to make sports highlight films, keep the fair use guidelines in mind. Remember that you'll want to prevent copyright strikes by removing 2 seconds from each clip for every 5 seconds of video duration. So if your clip is 2 minutes long, you play the first 5 seconds, then cut 2 seconds. Rinse, repeat. Trim the video to eliminate any protected elements, such as logos or music, to accomplish this. What is the significance of this? Adhering to this guideline aids in keeping your videos within the bounds of fair use. By editing your clips, you use the copyrighted content for a defined purpose, such as commentary, criticism, or news reporting, thus keeping it unique. This length ensures that your clips adhere to fair use guidelines. Following fair use principles is critical to avoiding copyright lawsuits and disputes. It enables you to highlight the most captivating moments from sports matches while remaining legally compliant. Remember that fair use establishes a framework for using copyrighted content in a transformative and responsible way. Another crucial factor to consider when editing sports highlight movies is that the short video clips you combine correspond to the title and concept of your video. Each clip you use should add to the broader story and improve the viewer's grasp of the subject. This keeps your video unified and entertaining for your audience. Additionally, as you look for films to add to highlight, look for videos that provide true facts about the game or genuine fan reactions. These clips frequently fall under fair use guidelines, allowing you to utilize them in your video without violating copyright. It's critical not to neglect these minor details when trimming and merging your videos. They give your highlight videos additional depth, authenticity, and context, making them more instructive and interesting for viewers. Incorporating these features may create a well-rounded and engaging viewing experience. In addition to using individual footage, you may enhance your sports highlight videos by merging clips from different league matches. This enables you to construct a compilation that highlights multiple games' excitement and memorable moments. Video scaling is another technique you may use to improve your videos. You may add a fascinating touch to your highlight video by including effects such as slow motion between the 5-second video snippets. This allows viewers to appreciate the magnificence that unfolded during those exact moments in the game, emphasizing the outstanding plays, talents, and emotions on exhibit. Video scaling not only improves the aesthetic attractiveness of the video, but also helps accentuate the essential elements, making them more dramatic and memorable. It lets viewers relish remarkable moments that may go undetected in real time. Combining well-curated clips and reasonable usage of effects, such as slow motion, can enhance and attract your audience's attention in sports highlight videos. Now that you understand how to turn your sports videos into captivating highlights, let's look at how to upload them on YouTube. YouTube is an amazing place for displaying your sports highlight films to a large audience. Now here's a bonus tip for the newbies in YouTube creation. If you haven't already, you should create a YouTube channel. After creating your channel, go to the upload option, which is prominently displayed on the YouTube homepage or your channel dashboard. It is critical to consider a few vital elements before uploading. To begin, make sure you have the proper permits or rights to utilize the footage in your videos, whether through fair use, licensed content, or other legal means. Copyright and intellectual property rights must be respected in order to maintain a positive presence on YouTube. Next, choose the sports highlight video clip from your computer to upload. While the uploading process may differ significantly based on platform upgrades, you'll usually be directed through a simple step-by-step process. Fill in the video title, description, and tags to make your video more discoverable to your audience. Viewers can be enticed to watch and share your material if you use engaging names and helpful descriptions. Consider using an engaging thumbnail image that captures the essence of your video. Thumbnails are extremely important in captivating and persuading users to click on your material. Finally, select the proper privacy settings for your video. Fortunately, YouTube allows creators to double-check their videos before making them public. This function lets you evaluate whether your videos contain copyrighted content or whether they are monetizable. Depending on your preferences and desired visibility, you can make your sports highlight videos public, unlisted, or private. Once you've reviewed all the settings, click the upload button. Your sports highlight video will soon be accessible for viewing and sharing by audiences worldwide. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now know how to avoid copyright claims on sports videos 2023. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing what went wrong with short-form content. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know what went wrong with short-form content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.